Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Pinterest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to keep your account private on Pinterest. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Pinterest app on your device and tap the profile icon at the bottom right. On your profile page, tap the three dots at the top right. And on the pop-up, tap Settings. Here, under Personal Information, tap Privacy and Data. And toggle on Search Privacy. This setting will hide your profile from the search engines. Next, go to your profile page again and tap the board you want to keep private. Once you open the board, tap the three dots at the top right corner. And on the pop-up menu, tap Edit Board. Here, under Settings, you can see the option to keep this board a secret, so toggle it on. Once you do that, tap Done to confirm. Your board will now be visible only to you. Other users will not be able to see it. And that's how you keep your account private on Pinterest. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.